TCG World, one of the leading metaverse right now. The TCG World Metaverse Land presale is starting very soon. In today's video, guys, I'm going to look at the presale, the swap, the map, the game, partners, marketplace, the white paper, and the people behind this particular metaverse. Now, guys, if you're interested in learning more about the TCG World, you're in the right place. But before I start, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So what is the TCG World all about, and why is this particular metaverse so sought out? Being part of their ever-growing community, you can create your own story within the metaverse alongside with 14,000 holders and basically 800 kilometers area, 100,000 plots, and 14,000 holders. You can register, see plot options, and buy tokens as well. There are different plots that are available right now, and you can check how expensive they are, from 1 BNB to 12 BNB, 20 BNB. These are areas, these are pieces of land that is available on the TCG World, and you can actually get a plot in TCG World, and you can use that plot and you can actually be a proud owner of a piece of virtual land in the metaverse. In the future, as we know that the world is moving from the Web 2.0 to the Web 3.0, and once we enter the Web 3.0, these particular pieces of land will become very, very expensive because everyone would want a piece of a virtual land in the virtual world to build something for themselves and actually create something for themselves. And if you become a proud owner of something in the metaverse in the future, maybe 5 years or 6 years or 10 years from now, that particular piece of land will be very expensive. So who are these people and what are they doing? They're here to build the next virtual home for humanity. And the first thing they want to do is they want to create your own story, where you can create your own story and shape your own destiny in a fully immersive open world gaming experience. You can be part of an ever-growing community where dreams truly do come true. So what is the metaverse? The future. That is what the metaverse is. You can earn crypto, play games, make new friends in a virtual world with a real crypto economy. You can explore a vast world filled with breathtaking scenery and fascinating cultures. And the plan is that if you're an artist, you can bring your creations to life within the metaverse and launch your own NFT career. Virtual houses need virtual art. And that is the reason why this particular metaverse is one of the most sought out in the industry right now. And you can register by clicking this button over here. So how does the TCG World actually work? The metaverse is filled with games, collection, puzzles, and social activities for all ages, interests. It's your playground. You can collect, meet strange and bizarre creatures called spirits that roam the metaverse. Catch them to earn NFTs, which you can sell, trade, or take them into battle. In the metaverse, furniture, houses, creatures, arts, and more are all NFTs that can be bought and sold. Some will be rare, some will be valuable. And what the best thing you can do, you can dream. What you'll do with your own plot in the metaverse: build a dream house, an art gallery, a dance club, a mystery house, a park, a restaurant. The opportunities are truly endless. You can explore worlds owned by other users by registering and checking it out. They have live charts and data, the TCG coin from the contract addresses, them on CoinMarketCap, also CoinGecko, Coin Stats, PooCoin charts as well. So the crypto basic coin course is also available on TCG World. Free crypto basic course or up to your game to learn and earn the TCG 2.0 coins as well. That is over here. You can go over there and also check it out. They have community videos as well that you can check out that are available on YouTube, and you can check how you can buy the land and why this is one of the biggest NFTs in the industry right now and why everyone is actually interested in getting this piece of land. They're available on different exchanges from PancakeSwap, from LBank, and they're using the Ethereum blockchain, the Ethereum ERC20. And basically that is the main elements over here. So you can put your email address and get regular updates about them and find out what they're up to all the time. I want to check the map out. I want to show you their map, and I feel that is a very important element to look at when you are investing or buying a virtual land that is available on the metaverse. And that gives you a clear indication of exactly what the scalability of this project is about. And I feel the people that are behind this particular metaverse are individuals that have a lot of experience and they understand what they're doing. So this is the piece of land. These are the plots that are available. So if I click on one particular thing, it shows me the price for it. This Platinum Asia is for 12 BNB. If I go down over here and I click on this one, this is the Gold Forest for 1 BNB. So basically all these areas are available for you. There are Asian ruins as well. So basically, if I go to allocation, you can check the allocation by signing in and connecting your wallet. There are different filters that are available. The images are available as well once you connect your wallet and check it out. So basically, every piece of plot is worth something. Let's go back to the map and let me show you. For example, if you go right in the corner over here and we click on this, this is the Gold East. And obviously the owner, it will come over here, who's the owner of this particular land and how much this land is going to be worth. So they have a game as well, and the games are absolutely brilliant. If I scroll down, you can see the amount of information that is available from their game development, from the front end, the back end, the world generation, the development updates, and obviously the continuous element that they have brought in where they are developing continuously and providing every single users the environment in which they can grow and enjoy themselves. And that is one of the reasons why the Web 3.0 is going to be the biggest industrial change in the way that we actually spend our lives, the way we live, the way we interact, because it is changing the basic elements of society, and TCG World is in the center of it. And obviously they have a lot of partners that are working with them. And if I scroll up right now and you can see the amount of individuals, you can clearly see the amount of companies, a amount of organizations that have partnered with them to ensure that they can scale this particular projects to heights no other project has achieved till now. You can check their white paper out and their marketplace out as well, and they'll give you a clear indication of the strength that this particular metaverse tends to have. And these are different elements, different plots that are available, different avatars that are available that you can get and actually hold on to and use in the metaverse as well. So who are the people behind it and what makes them so amazing? If we look at these individuals, from the CEO, from the CTO, from the Unity developer, from the director of business development, every single individual is available on LinkedIn. You can head over and check their LinkedIn out. And the reason why this is becoming the biggest platform is because these individuals have a lot of experience. They understand what they're doing. They know what to do. They understand what strategy needs to be developed, how that strategy needs to be executed. And they're combining all these elements together under one roof to ensure that they can scale the project, take it to new heights, heights that no other metaverse universe has actually seen. And that is why I feel they have got a lot of potential. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so you got to make sure that you do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. I will definitely reply back to you. If you need more support and guidance or assistance, you can always drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel on the Educational Networking, and head over there, get my number and drop me a WhatsApp, and I will definitely reply back to you. So guys, in the end, make sure you have subscribed to the channel so you do not miss any of the videos that I'm making. And I have done a lot of reviews of different NFTs, play to earn games, and meta universes. So you can head over to my channel and check them out. And do let me know of your opinion, because your opinion truly matters to me. Until our next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.